Hi everyone, let's see how you can install Bluetooth driver in Windows 11. To get started, simply open your browser and search for Bluetooth driver for Windows 11. From the search results, go to this Intel's web page. Scroll down the page and click on download. Accept the terms of the license agreement and wait for the download to complete. Once downloaded, simply right click over the file and run it as administrator. Now click on next from here. Click on next, accept the license agreement and click on next. From here select complete and click on install and wait for the installation process to finish. That's it. Now click on finish. Now go to your Windows settings. Click on Bluetooth and devices. Make sure the Bluetooth option is turned on. Then click on View More Devices. Scroll down the page and click on More Bluetooth Settings. Make sure all the boxes are checkmarked here. Once done, save the change. Now in the taskbar, you will see the Bluetooth icon. Simply right click over it and you can send and receive files from here. Now at the top, you will get the Add Device option, which enables you to pair your mobile, speakers or headphones. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.